This is Samsung Galaxy M14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. As you can see, my parental controls are currently activated, so from here I will need to enter the Google category of settings. So let me, launch the settings app first. So here is the settings app, here is the Google category, if it will allow me to enter it, of course. Then tap at the Manage Your Google Account button over here. Next, you will need to open the Data and Privacy section. Scroll it all the way down. Tap at the Delete Your Google Account option. In order to proceed, we will have to enter the password to the Google account. So let me do exactly that off the screen. Next, check those two boxes at the bottom, tap at the Delete Account option. And at this point, parental controls were successfully disabled, so let me quickly demonstrate that to you. So once I will enter the Google category again, as you can see, there is no Google account added or linked, and if I will open up parental controls, there will be none. From here, the only thing that is left to do is to recover the Google account that we have just deleted, which you can do by signing into any Google app with it. So let's say I'll go with Google Play Store, for example. So enter the email address. Then you should get the following message. Follow this message by entering the account password. 9 out of 10 times you will get the something went wrong message. That's completely fine. Just re-enter your credentials one more time. So enter email address, follow it by your account password. And as you can see, it led us through this time, so just proceed with the Google sign-in as you would normally do. And well, that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.